Macy's American Express card. Should you get it? Full review, guys. So, if you are a frequent Macy's shopper, the Macy's American Express card might seem like a great deal, but is it actually worth it in 2025? Let's break it down. First, the pros. New cardholders actually get a 20%, right? 20% discount on Macy's purchases. And this is for the first 2 days after approval. You can save up to $100. Okay, can go ahead and do that. And you also earn a 3% cash back at restaurants, 2% at US gas stations. Okay, and supermarkets, 1% on everything else. And this makes it more versatile, let's say, and than your average store card. Plus, there's no annual fee, which is always a win, right? No annual fee, as you can see right here. And now the cons. The biggest downside is that the reward vouchers actually expire after just 30 days, and they can only be used at Macy's. So if you don't shop there often, you might lose out. And the APR is high at a 27.49% variable, so carrying a balance, not a good idea. So who should get this card? I would say it's great if you spend at least $500 at Macy's each year. You pay off your balance in full every month. You want extra cash back on dining and groceries. But if you want more flexibility, consider a general rewards card like the Capital One Quicksilver, which offers unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases with a sign-up bonus that actually beats Macy's rewards. So, final verdict, it's good for loyal Macy's shoppers, but not the best for general spending. So if you can use the discounts and rewards before they expire, this card could work for you. So let me know, would you sign up for the Macy's Amex? Drop a comment below. So I hope this guide and review provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Appier Solutions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.